Hello, Royal Scientists! Welcome back to Princess Mia's Royal Science Kitchen. Today, we are making a lemon fizz. Do you think a lemon can bubble all by itself? I'm not sure. Let's find out. First, we take a fresh lemon. Roll it on the table gently. That helps the juice move inside. Now we cut it in half. Look at all that juicy goodness. Next, we sprinkle baking soda right on top of the lemon. It just sits there. Nothing is happening yet. What do you think will happen when they mix? Ready? Squeeze the lemon a little. Whoa, it's fizzing! It's bubbling! It sounds like tiny soda pops. Listen closely. Fizz! It's like the lemon woke up. Look at all those bubbles forming. It almost looks like lemon lava. Can you count the bubbles? 1, 2, 3. Too many. Do you know why it fizzes? Lemons have something called acid inside them. When baking soda and lemon juice mix together, they make tiny bubbles called carbon dioxide. They create fizz and bubbles. That gas is what makes the bubbles. Royal science word, bubbles. That means two things mix together and create something new. Today we learned that lemons can fizz, not because of magic, but because of chemistry. You turned a regular lemon into a bubbly science show. I am so proud of you, Royal Scientists. Comment below, did your lemon fizz big or little? And I'll see you next time in Princess Mia's Royal Science Kitchen. Bye, friends!